Meaning of filling station.
Filling station.
Filling station.
Filling station.
Filling station. A filling station, also known as a gas station or petrol station, is a facility that dispenses fuel and other automotive fluids to customers. It typically consists of one or more pumps which are used to pump gasoline, diesel, or other fuels into vehicles. Filling stations may also offer services such as oil changes, car washes, and convenience stores. They are essential to the transportation industry, providing a convenient location for drivers to refuel and maintain their vehicles on long journeys. They have become an integral part of modern society due to the widespread use of cars and other motorized vehicles.